Hi guys, this is Tati and today I'm telling you about our shop Wicker baskets, and today I want to show you this basket for laundry. So this is basket for your bathroom, for your dirty clothes. So in this basket you can put everything. So first of all, it's really huge. You will put and fit everything is inside of it. So let me show you this very quickly. So as you can see, it's really enough place for all your dirty clothes. I want to tell you about this case because I haven't seen that another shops would provide you with a case for it. So it's absolutely portative, so you can remove it and wash it with your clothes, because you know sometimes when you put your dirty clothes inside it has some different smells, so you can wash it with it. So in this case the smell in your bathroom will be great and all the time very fresh. So either you can choose a different colors of the basket, of the cases, so you can play with it. For example, you can tell me, Tati, I want to have a case with red color, and I will tell you, oh, okay, not a problem, we are gonna do it for you. So just write us down and tell us what you want. So about the basket, so you can choose the color of this basket as well, so it can be black, blue, green, yellow, doesn't matter, so which one you want more. So and this basket has a case, so this is a cover which will hide everything you have inside, which is very useful sometimes, when some strangers in your bathroom, so you don't want them to see your dirty clothes. So and very important thing in this basket I want to explain you and show, this is a plywood. So the bottom of this basket is made of plywood. Sometimes when you put some towels inside, it can be heavy, so it can easily destroy your basket and the bottom of it. So in this case it's not for a lot of time. But with this plywood, as you can see here, it's really big piece of plywood in here, so you shouldn't be worried that it will destroy your basket. Also it has 2 wheels and brakes in it, so like this, when we put it like this, it doesn't move at all. So once I do it like this, you can easily play with it and it can be flexible, you can put it everywhere. This basket will not take a lot of place in your room and you can easily fit it everywhere, in laundry or it can be bedroom. So you decide. Take care.